Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of Instagram post management with a focus on archiving and unarchiving. Let's get started. First things first, to archive a post, follow these simple steps. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Find the post you want to archive and tap on it. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, also known as More Options. Select Archive. Voila, your post is now safely tucked away in the archives. But don't worry, you can always bring it back whenever you want. Now, let's say you've had a change of heart and want that post back on your profile. No problem. Follow these steps to unarchive a post. Again, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Click on More Options, 3 horizontal lines, then select Archive. Navigate to the Post's Archive section within the Stories archive. Find the post you want to unarchive and tap on it. Click on More Actions in the top right corner and select Show on Profile. And there you have it, your post is back in the spotlight on your profile. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and share it with anyone who might need a little digital spring cleaning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.